Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was a curious and adventurous child who loved exploring the world around her. One sunny morning, while wandering through the forest near her home, she stumbled upon a hidden path she had never seen before. Intrigued, Lily decided to follow the path. As she walked deeper into the woods, the sunlight filtered through the leaves, casting a magical glow on the forest floor. Suddenly, she noticed a glimmer of light ahead. It led her to a clearing where a magnificent old oak tree stood tall, its branches reaching toward the sky. Lily approached the tree and discovered a small, weathered key nestled within its roots. Without hesitation, she picked it up, feeling a surge of excitement. She wondered what the key might unlock. Determined to solve the mystery, Lily set off on a quest to find the door that matched the key. Over the next few days, Lily searched high and low, exploring every nook and cranny of the village. She peered behind waterfalls, ventured into dark caves, and climbed towering cliffs, but she couldn't find a door that fit the key. One evening, as the sun began to set, Lily sat down on a mossy rock, feeling disheartened. Just as she was about to give up, an old woman with kind eyes approached her. She had heard about Lily's search and offered her assistance. The wise woman told Lily about an ancient legend of a hidden door located at the top of the tallest mountain in the land. It was said that the door held the answers to all the unanswered questions of the world. Filled with newfound hope, Lily thanked the woman and embarked on her most challenging adventure yet. She climbed the treacherous mountain, battling against strong winds and biting cold. It was a grueling journey, but Lily's determination pushed her forward. Finally, after days of climbing, she reached the mountain's peak. To her astonishment, she discovered an ornate wooden door, adorned with intricate carvings. She knew she had found what she had been searching for. With trembling hands, Lily inserted the key into the lock, and as she turned it, the door creaked open. Beyond the door lay a room bathed in golden light. Inside, shelves lined with books and scrolls stretched as far as the eye could see. Overwhelmed by the wealth of knowledge before her, Lily began to read. She learned about the secrets of the universe, the wonders of distant lands, and the wisdom of generations past. Each page turned revealed new insights and understanding. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as Lily immersed herself in the knowledge within the hidden room. When she finally felt satisfied with her newfound wisdom, she bid farewell to the room, leaving the door ajar for others to seek their own answers. Lily returned to her village, forever changed by her extraordinary adventure. She shared her knowledge and stories with the villagers, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams and discover their own hidden doors. From that day forward, the village became a hub of exploration and learning, all thanks to a curious young girl named Lily and the magical key that unlocked a world of endless possibilities.